Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Rico J. Puno, born Enrico de Jesus Puno on February 13, 1953 in Manila, to Felipe Puno Sr. and Corazon J. Puno. He was a multifaceted Filipino entertainer renowned for his contributions to the music industry, television, and politics. A versatile artist, he was celebrated not only as a singer but also as an actor, comedian, and TV host. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Rico Puno is widely regarded as a Filipino music icon, blending pop, soul, and traditional Filipino music in a career that spanned over 4 decades. Ang kanyang personal at profesional na buhay ay pantay na minarkahan ng katatawanan, karisma at malalim na koneksyon sa kanyang mga tagahanga na naging dahilan upang siya ay isa sa pinakamamahal na public figure sa Pilipinas. Kitang-kita ang pagmamahal ni Puno sa musika mula sa murang edad. Bagamat nakakuha siya ng Bachelor of Arts degree mula sa Philippine School of Business Administration, ang kanyang hilig sa pagkanta ang nagbunsod sa kanya upang ituloy ang isang karera sa entertainment. He started performing in folk houses and small clubs across Metro Manila where he caught the attention of producers. Noong 1975, habang nagpe-perform sa isang venue na tinatawag na Palazzi, nakilala niya ang American Motown group, The Temptations, na tumulong sa pagsulong ng kanyang karera. Hindi nagtagal ay napirmahan siya sa Vicor Records na humantong sa kanyang unang major hit sa isang Tagalog-infused rendition ng The Way We Were. Ang kantang ito ay isang groundbreaking na sandali sa Filipino pop music dahil pinangunahan ni Puno ang pagsasama ng mga liriko ng Pilipino sa mga sikat na kanta sa kanluran. Ang karera sa musika ni Rico J. Puno ay nagsimula noong 1970s na may isang string ng mga hit na kanta at album. Naging staple siya ng Philippine pop music na kilala sa kanyang malakas na boses at kakaibang estilo na ipinaghalo ang pop, soul at Filipino ballads. Puno's career reached new heights in the 1980s with his Rico in Concert show, a landmark performance at the Cultural Center of the Philippines that solidified his position as one of the foremost pop stars in the country. His performances at the Araneta Coliseum and his international tours in the United States, Japan, and other countries were major milestone. Isa rin siyang hinahangad na product endorser at na-feature sa mga advertisement para sa San Miguel Beer at iba pang malalaking brand. Bilang karagdagan sa kanyang karera sa pag-awit, gumawa rin si Puno ng makabuluhang hakbang sa telebisyon at pelikula. Rico J. Puno also ventured into politics, serving as a city councilor of Makati from 1998 to 2007. His political career was marked by a focus on public safety, including an ordinance that installed surveillance cameras in 24-hour convenience stores in Makati to combat crime. After his term as councilor, Puno ran for Vice Mayor of Makati in 2010 but he was not successful. Kalaunan ay bumalik siya sa politika noong 2016 na nanalo muli ng pwesto bilang konsihal sa ilalim ng partidong United Nationalist Alliance. Bagamat ipinagpatuloy niya ang kanyang karera sa politika, siya ay pinakamamahal para sa kanyang tunay na koneksyon sa mga tao, katulad ng kanyang mga karera sa musika at telebisyon. Si Rico J. Puno ay isang pamilyado at ibinahagi ang kanyang pagmamahal sa musika sa kanyang mga anak. Ang kanyang anak na babae, si Tushka Camille, ay madalas na sumama sa kanya sa entablado sa kanyang mga pagtatanghal. At ang kanyang anak na si Rox ay isa ring musikero. Sa kabila ng kanyang tagumpay, nanatiling grounded si Puno at ang kanyang mga kontribusyon sa sining at ipinagdiwang kahit na malapit na siya sa pagtatapos ng kanyang karera. He passed away on October 30, 2018 at the age of 65 due to heart failure, leaving behind a legacy that spanned music, television, and politics. Puno's death marked the end of an era in Philippine entertainment, but his influence lives on through his music, performances, and the many artists he inspired. Rico J. Puno's legacy is that of an entertainer who brought joy to countless Filipinos through his music, comedy, and personality. His death was mourned by fans across generations, and he was posthumously honored for his contributions to Filipino culture. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Mahatma Gandhi, the dignity of a man requires obedience to a higher law, to the strength of the spirit. Special thanks to my source from Google, https://en.wikipedia.org, photo credits to https://www.manilatimes.net, and inspirational quote credits to https://graciousquotes.com.